This is really poop weather. Don't like it. Also, with her Dodge Dart, it's boosted, so something else. This is why we're out here today. Let's go ahead and get this started. What's up, y'all? So today is next day. We are out here with the Mustang, and I want to go ahead and tell you right now, like I said in the last video, I was gonna wait on some new parts. So I checked those new parts, and they will not be here by the time we need them to go to IA and race. So what I'm gonna do is ghetto rig it basically, and try to get this to seal. It's so bad, man. I'm gonna try to get that in check for when we race, and try to hopefully deal with it, and it's not as bad as I think it is. Like, if we can get by with it, it's cool. Only thing is, it probably will foul the plugs a little bit. I mean, I can always buy new plugs, so I'm not worried about that, but I just wanted to have it ready to race. And also we have to do some other things to the suspension, which will be in another video for that. So let's go ahead and jump into it, get everything buttoned together, and see how she runs, and hopefully this misfire is fixed. And look, let's look at the hole in this thing. It's ridiculous, right? But we're gonna try to, like I said, get a rig it so we can have this running. Hey, true. Oh my. Alright, y'all, so went ahead and got that back on and situated. Resealed it. Really looks pretty decent actually, so hopefully that holds. Let's go ahead and get the air intake and the rest of the vacuum hoses put on. It should be ready to start. Well, y'all, so we got everything buttoned back up in here. I'll go ahead and check the coolant. I'm sure the coolant's good. I'm checking my oil, and should be ready to rock. So let's get all those checked off the list, and then hook this jump box up, and let's go ahead and get her started. Woo! All right, y'all. As you can see, it is not Monday. It is Friday now. Crunch time is here, and so far we're good. So I waited, which I really hate waiting, but I got new PVC hose. As you can see, it is super nice. It is not bunk and ugly as this one right here, and you can see on the inside right there, though it's not gonna focus, you're not gonna be able to see it. You're not gonna be able to see it, but it was bad. And then also new PVC valve, which is nice and tucked away, looking new, and we looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the battery charger, plug it up, let it sit and charge for a little bit, button everything back up, and we get on the road, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a nice little drive. Let's see how she rides. Just hope everything is fixed and it is in operating order. And if it is, we're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all that stuff, get it taken care of, and I will see y'all when we start the car. All right, boys. So first startup since NMRAs. I'm stoked, dude. I'm stoked but nervous. So let's turn all the AC on. Oh man. Let's see if this all worked out. It's still misfiring. Fuck. I literally don't know what the hell's going on now, dude. The car is still misfiring. I don't know if it's really the coil packs, dude. It's a bust. I'm not gonna be able to make it to the fucking event, and really bummed out about that. Really bummed out. I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure something out, but right now it looks like the car is not gonna be going in for once.